Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 88, Chain. This is another one of those lateral thinking puzzles, and I hope you enjoy this one, and thank you for the great feedback you've been giving me. It's been very positive. Let's have a look at the riddle for today. What chain is edible? A clue will be given on the next slide. So try and solve this, and in 2 minutes' time I will give you a clue which might help you to solve it. That's if you don't get it out. So please persist and try and solve it before I give you the clue. Okay, as promised, here is your clue. I'm not sure whether you need it because you could have already solved it. So here is your clue. The puzzle is what chain is edible? And the answer is a two-word answer. That's the clue I'll give you. It is a two-word answer. And the actual answer is on the next slide. So in another minute I will give you that, but see if you can solve it with that clue. Okay, as promised, here is your answer. I wonder how you went with that clue. Let's see. What chain is edible? And the answer is a food chain. An interesting one, isn't it? That is a two-word answer, but I'm not sure whether that clue would have been enough for you. But if you got it, congratulations. And thank you for all those people who've really been trying to solve these. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I will go to that slide right now.